Hello everyone. In this video, I will be building an LED project using Arduino UNO. This is controlled with infrared remote. By using this remote, we can change the pattern of the LEDs. This LED project uses 12 LEDs in sequence and it will show 5 effects based on key 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 pressed on the remote. Let me show you the project.
Here is the circuit diagram for this project. I have shared the link for circuit diagram in the description. Let's build the project.
To build it, we need Arduino UNO, breadboard, IR receiver, 12 220 ohm resistors, 12 LEDs. They can be same or different color, and some male-to-male jumper wires. Plug all the LEDs to the breadboard such that all negative pin to plug on ground of the breadboard and positive pin on the inner section of the breadboard. The smaller lead is the negative and the larger lead is the positive of the LED. Like this. Then plug one end of the resistors on the line of the positive pin of all LEDs. Here. Connect one end of the jumper wire to pin 1 to 12 of the Arduino UNO and plug other end on the inner section of the breadboard. Like this. Then put it in the inner section of the breadboard. So this is the first LED. So I am putting it here. The first LED. Now plug the other end of the resistors on the line of the jumper wire on the breadboard. So you should put it here on the line of the jumper wire. Like this. Now do this for all LEDs. wire to Arduino UNO's ground pin and other end on the line of negative pin of LEDs on the breadboard. So the ground pin of Arduino is this. This is the ground pin of Arduino board. And this is the ground pin of the breadboard. This is the negative pin of the breadboard. Now plug the IR receiver on the breadboard like this. And connect output signal pin to Arduino's digital pin 13 using a jumper wire. Similarly, connect the ground pin to Arduino's ground and VCC pin to Arduino's 5 pin through jumper wires. Connect a wire between 5th and 6th subsections where LEDs are plugged. This is to send power from one end to the other end on out section on breadboard. So I've taken a metal wire, So here, this is the 5th and this is the 6th subsections. So I'll connect it here. Now the circuit is ready to upload the code through Arduino UNO. Let us quickly explore the code.
Setup function sets the pin mode and enables the IR. The loop function calls the functions for LED effects based on the key pressed on the remote. Here is the loop function. I have used hex code here. A is the key 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For your remote, you need to generate hex. Here are the functions to show LED effects. Design 1, Design 2, Design 3, Design 4 and Design 5. I have set the link for the code in the description. Let's upload the code.
Connect Arduino UNO device to any USB port on your system.
Now, using the Arduino IDE, select your Arduino device, tools, board, Arduino AVR boards. So, my device is Arduino UNO. So, I will click this. Then, select your port. So, here there are 2 ports. Here, I've connected my Arduino UNO to COM4. So, I'll click this. Then, click on OK. Here, I should select the board. Arduino UNO. Now, click on OK. Now, upload the code. So, here it's uploading. Uploading is done. Now, your project is ready. Hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.